Good morning, everyone. This is Charles, your JTS gunsmith. What I have before me is a X12PT 12 gauge shotgun. If you're watching this video, you're probably experiencing an issue with your trigger or your pump, being that your pump is moving back and forth freely and your trigger is completely dead. It's actually a very easy fix. You're only going to need 3 tools. You're going to need a punch, soft rubber mallet. Sometimes you don't really need it, and you're going to need a Phillips drive with an extension. Now, once you clear the shotgun, make sure that it's free of ammunition. First thing you're going to want to do is start from the back of the shotgun. There's going to be 3 screws. You only need to take these top 2 screws, loosen them up, and swivel your butt pad off to the side. Now, inside of this shotgun, what you're going to do is you're going to take your extension, your Phillips. You're going to reach in here and there's going to be a bolt. You're going to remove that, turning it counterclockwise. What that's doing is it's removing it from the back of the extension on the receiver. And as you can see, there's the bolt. So there's quite a bit of thread on there. It's going to take a few turns to go ahead and remove it from the back of your receiver. And here is where it's going to be connected to. So once you're done with that, next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your punch. There's going to be 2 pins. You're going to knock those out. It doesn't matter from which side, just knock them out. And your trigger pack is going to come out. So the issue that a lot of customers have had in the past is with this spring. And I'm going to show you right now. This spring right here, sometimes it falls behind. So this will stay locked forward and your pump is moving back and forth freely. Your trigger is not working. So what you want to do, and it's a super easy fix, is take this spring, pull it like that. You're going to lift it up and you can barely see it. There's a little bit of a notch right there. There you go. So once you get that put back in the correct orientation, you're going to take your trigger pack, you're going to reinstall it back into your shotgun, put your 2 pins back in, and to reassemble it, it's going to be exactly the opposite of the disassembly process. Tried to keep this video under 4 minutes. Really, guys, hit the notification bell, like, subscribe. I'm going to have a whole bunch of videos coming out on a lot of these shotguns that we carry, just some how-tos, commonly asked questions. If you're experiencing an issue with your shotgun, leave a message and I will definitely get back to you, or I'll post a video. And hopefully, if there's somebody else out there who's experiencing the same issue, this video will help. Maybe your questions will bring about another video, and let's just all help each other out. As always, guys, take care. Have a great day.